Well, so like if you're looking at like an on-page sort of thing, what's funny is you can get results within minutes. When you re-index the pages or you resubmit them to say the Search Console, you can often see, especially for stronger signals, stuff within 10, 15, 20 minutes, which is remarkable. Usually, though, if we're looking at it, we're like, hey, we're not getting any movement here. You want to look, and this is real life anyway, about maybe two cache dates, which is usually maybe 5 to 7 days when cache is working properly. So maybe 14 days. If we don't get movement, then we might move on in an on-page sense. But like you're talking about with off-page, with links, the real frustrating thing is even in these small environments, it can take weeks upon weeks, 2, 3 weeks, 6, 8 weeks. I've seen those in test environments where it just takes that long for a link to pass any kind of juice, even within such a small controlled area. So
Okay.
links take forever.
Gotcha. And that's been my observation over time as well, where it used to be, even in 2013 when it sounds like you were getting into like SEO deep. Is that right? 2013 is
Yeah,
when, okay. Yeah, it would be like
as a full-time gig, yeah.
right. And it was like 2 or 3 days and you could see like what links helped. You could adjust anchor text and it was like pretty powerful to have that knowledge. Now it's my hunch and you can confirm or, disagree. Like Google throttled it back, so we don't know what we're doing with all these variables. We don't know what helped rankings or hurt rankings, so we can't exploit things as well as marketers. So is that kind of your
You
hunch
could
too?
also think that things just got bigger. There's more to crawl since then, exponentially more, and it just might take more time.
That's
It is
true.
another possibility.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
like there are times where I think when there's like the fool you stuff that Google brings into play, but I think a lot of it is serendipity for them. Just like, oh, we didn't realize that would happen because it would take so long, but that's great. It's a built-in thing because it takes that long to process those URLs. Wherever they
Interesting.
hit in the queue, and then that turns into this much time now, and now it looks like they turned a gauge when really it was just things got bigger.